Urban air mobility is rapidly moving from science fiction to something that could sit right beside your car at home. A new generation of radical foldable eVTOL aircraft is being designed with one bold idea in mind: personal flight that fits inside a standard home garage. These compact electric aircraft use folding wings, retractable rotors, tilting propellers, and modular frames to shrink their footprint after landing, making ownership far more practical for everyday pilots. Instead of requiring airports or large hangars, these aircraft can be stored in spaces as small as a two-car garage, opening the door to a future where commuting by air becomes as convenient as driving. Many of these designs also focus on quiet electric propulsion, simplified controls, and autonomous assistance, making them appealing even to those without traditional pilot training. From sleek jet personal flyers to futuristic multicopter designs, here are 10 radical foldable eVTOLs designed to fit inside standard home garages. Xpeng Aero-HT Land Aircraft Carrier. The Xpeng Aero-HT Land Aircraft Carrier is a modular flying car system developed by Xpeng Aero-HT, a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors. Unlike traditional eVTOL aircraft, this innovative design separates the system into two components: a six-wheeled ground-based mothership and a compact foldable two-seat eVTOL stored in the rear compartment. The ground vehicle is designed to fit within standard parking spaces and underground garages, making it practical for everyday urban use and home storage. The air module features 6 electric rotors mounted on foldable arms that deploy automatically with a single button press. Once unfolded, the aircraft transitions into flight-ready configuration within minutes. The eVTOL is designed for short-range personal flights, offering quiet electric propulsion and simplified flight controls aimed at consumer accessibility. The ground mothership functions as both a transport vehicle and mobile charging station. It offers a driving range of over 1,000 kilometers and can recharge the air module up to 6 times, allowing multiple flights without needing external infrastructure. After landing, the aircraft folds back into the van's rear compartment, where it is protected from weather and damage, creating a seamless drive-to-fly personal mobility system. Doroni Aerospace H1. The Doroni H1 is a compact two-seat personal eVTOL developed by Doroni Aerospace, designed specifically to fit inside a standard two-car garage without requiring folding wings or disassembly. With an overall length of approximately 23 feet and a width of about 15 feet, the aircraft maintains a compact footprint while still offering comfortable seating for 2 occupants. Its distinctive X-shaped configuration integrates ducted fans into the wings, helping shield passengers and ground personnel from exposed rotor blades, while also improving aerodynamic efficiency and noise reduction. The H1 is powered by 10 electric motors arranged across multiple ducted fan housings, providing redundancy and stability during flight. This distributed propulsion system allows the aircraft to remain controllable even if one motor fails, improving operational safety. The Doroni H1 is designed for short to medium-distance personal travel, offering a projected range of approximately 60 miles and a top speed of around 140 miles per hour, making it suitable for commuting between nearby cities or avoiding heavy road congestion. Inside the cockpit, the aircraft features a simplified single-joystick control system paired with semi-autonomous navigation technology. This intuitive interface reduces pilot workload and allows users with minimal flight training to operate the aircraft safely and efficiently for everyday personal transportation. Richter X4. Unveiled at CES 2026, the Richter X4 is an ultralight single-passenger eVTOL designed as a highly portable personal air mobility pod. Developed by Richter, the aircraft focuses on compact storage, simplicity, and short-distance urban commuting. It features a minimalist multicopter layout with 4 carbon fiber arms, each supporting large 63-inch folding propellers that collapse inward when not in use. Once folded, the entire aircraft compresses to just 1.2 cubic meters, roughly 42 cubic feet, small enough to fit in the bed of a standard pickup truck or inside a home garage corner. The Richter measures roughly 6.5 feet wide when deployed and weighs approximately 250 pounds, including batteries, placing it in the ultralight personal aircraft category. Powered by 4 electric motors, the aircraft delivers a top speed of about 50 miles per hour and a flight endurance of approximately 20 minutes, making it suitable for short urban hops, recreational flights, and last-mile transportation. It also incorporates a semi-solid-state dual battery system for improved safety and redundancy. Owners can recharge the aircraft using in-vehicle charging capability, allowing the batteries to replenish while being transported, adding convenience and flexibility for everyday personal air mobility. LEO Coupe. The LEO Coupe is a futuristic 3-passenger flying vehicle developed by LEO Flight Corporation, designed to combine high-performance aviation with the convenience of home storage. Often described as a flying hypercar, the aircraft features a compact folded box wing configuration that keeps its footprint small enough to fit inside a standard 2-car garage. Measuring approximately 10 feet wide and 20 feet long, the LEO Coupe is engineered to operate from tight residential areas, rooftops, and small urban launch zones. Instead of using large exposed propellers, the LEO Coupe relies on more than 200 embedded microelectric jet thrusters integrated directly into the airframe. This distributed propulsion system improves safety, reduces noise, and eliminates large spinning blades, making it more practical for urban environments. The compact design also allows for vertical takeoff and landing in confined spaces that traditional aircraft cannot access. The LEO Coupe is designed for high-speed personal travel, with a projected top speed of around 250 miles per hour and a range of up to 300 miles. Inside, the aircraft features an automotive-style cabin and semi-autonomous fly-by-wire controls, allowing users to operate the aircraft with minimal training while maintaining a luxury-focused flying experience. Alto Volo Sigma. The Alto Volo Sigma is a 3-seat hybrid eVTOL developed by Alto Volo, engineered for high-speed, long-range travel, and compact residential storage. With a width of just 15.7 feet, comparable to a standard double garage door, the aircraft can take off directly from home driveways, private garages, or even yacht decks, making it ideal for urban and coastal personal aviation. The Sigma uses a tilting electric jet powertrain that delivers an impressive 1,608 horsepower, allowing cruise speeds of up to 220 miles per hour while maintaining efficient hybrid operation. Its hybrid system provides a maximum range exceeding 510 miles, offering the flexibility to travel longer distances without frequent recharging. Noise reduction was a key design focus, and the Sigma operates at roughly 80% quieter levels than conventional helicopters, making it suitable for use in residential areas without disturbing neighbors. The interior accommodates 3 passengers in a comfortable aviation-style cabin, while advanced autonomous flight technology assists with navigation, stability, and route optimization. For safety, the Sigma includes a ballistic parachute system, providing an additional layer of protection in case of emergencies. Its combination of speed, range, quiet operation, and garage-friendly dimensions positions it as a high-performance option for personal and recreational eVTOL use. Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 is a lightweight single-seat personal eVTOL developed by Jetson Aero, designed to deliver a flying experience similar to a sports vehicle while remaining compact enough for home storage. Built around an open aluminum and carbon fiber space frame, the aircraft features a minimalist yet rugged structure that keeps overall weight low while maintaining strength and durability. Its footprint is roughly the size of a king-sized bed, allowing it to be stored in a standard garage, workshop, or even a large backyard shed. Classified under FAA Part 103, the Jetson 1 does not require a pilot's license in the United States, making it highly accessible for recreational flyers. The aircraft is powered by an 8-motor octocopter configuration, providing redundancy and stable vertical lift. This setup also enhances safety, allowing controlled landings even if a motor fails. The Jetson 1 has a top speed of approximately 63 miles per hour and a flight endurance of around 20 minutes, making it ideal for short recreational flights and personal aerial exploration. Advanced flight control software automatically stabilizes the aircraft, making it surprisingly easy to fly even for beginners. Its growing popularity has made it one of the first personal eVTOL aircraft to reach large-scale production and consumer delivery. Air 1. The Air 1 is a compact, two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Air, designed specifically for personal transportation and everyday commuting. Built with a sleek fixed-wing configuration, the aircraft incorporates folding wings that allow it to reduce its overall footprint to roughly the size of a standard pickup truck, making it practical for storage in a home garage, driveway, or small hangar. The Air 1 measures approximately 23 feet in wingspan when deployed and significantly less when folded, with a lightweight composite airframe optimized for efficiency and quiet operation. Powered by 8 independent electric motors, the aircraft offers redundancy and smooth vertical lift performance. It delivers a projected cruising speed of around 155 miles per hour and a range of approximately 110 miles on a single charge, making short regional travel both quick and convenient. Inside the cockpit, the AIR-1 features a simplified fly-by-intent control system with a central joystick, allowing pilots to guide the aircraft intuitively, while onboard computers manage stability, wind correction, and flight adjustments automatically. The aircraft also supports home charging, reaching up to 80% battery capacity in roughly 30 minutes, using a standard electric vehicle charging adapter, making daily use both practical and accessible. Skyfly Axe. The Skyfly Axe is a compact two-seat eVTOL developed by Skyfly Technologies, designed with simplicity, reliability, and easy home storage in mind. With a fixed wingspan of approximately 16.4 feet, the aircraft maintains a small enough footprint to be parked in a large residential garage, driveway, or private parking space, removing the need for costly hangar storage and making personal ownership more practical. The Axe features a minimalist twin-wing configuration equipped with 4 fixed-angle propellers, 2 mounted on each wing. This design allows the aircraft to perform vertical takeoffs like a multicopter, while also transitioning into efficient forward flight similar to a conventional airplane. The simplified propulsion layout reduces mechanical complexity while maintaining stable and predictable handling characteristics. Powered by an all-electric system, the Skyfly Axe offers a range of approximately 100 miles on battery power alone. An optional hybrid range extender generator can increase total range to around 200 miles, providing greater flexibility for longer trips. For safety, the aircraft incorporates a mechanical control system and gliding capability, allowing it to descend and land safely even in the unlikely event of a complete power loss. Ziva Zero. The Ziva Zero is an innovative single-seat eVTOL developed by Ziva Aerospace, featuring a distinctive circular flying saucer design where the entire disc-shaped body functions as a lifting surface. Measuring just 8.5 feet in diameter, it has the smallest footprint among personal eVTOLs, enabling storage in a single standard parking space or tucked into a corner of a home garage. This tail-sitter aircraft launches vertically with the pilot in a standing position and transitions to horizontal flight for forward travel at speeds up to 160 miles per hour. Its carbon fiber airframe is lightweight and compact while housing 8 electric motors, providing redundancy and stable control. The design maximizes efficiency and space, creating a highly maneuverable urban aircraft capable of taking off and landing in extremely tight areas. Ziva also envisions a skydock system that allows the Zero to attach vertically to the side of a building, eliminating the need for traditional ground parking and offering a new model of urban mobility. Its compact footprint, advanced propulsion, and futuristic docking concept make the Zero one of the most space-conscious and flexible personal eVTOLs currently in development. Pivotal helix. The pivotal helix is a compact personal eVTOL developed by Pivotal, known for creating the earlier Black Fly. Designed as a FAA Part 103 ultralight aircraft, the Helix prioritizes simplicity, portability, and easy ownership, allowing operation in the United States without a pilot's license. This makes it one of the most accessible personal eVTOL aircraft currently entering production. The Helix features a distinctive tilt aircraft architecture where the entire airframe rotates to transition between vertical takeoff and forward flight. This design eliminates complex tilting rotors and reduces mechanical components, improving reliability and lowering maintenance requirements. When fully assembled, the aircraft occupies roughly a 14 by 14 foot footprint, but it can be disassembled into a compact 14 by 5 foot package, small enough to fit inside a standard 16-foot trailer, garage, or workshop. Constructed primarily from lightweight carbon fiber, the Helix houses 8 electric motors for redundant lift and propulsion. It offers a cruise speed of approximately 62 miles per hour and a range of about 20 miles, ideal for short recreational flights or local commuting. For added safety, the aircraft includes a ballistic parachute system designed to deploy during emergency situations.